Hi there, I'm ARIA, and welcome to Jarvis Home Hub. This is the channel where complete beginners learn to use AI, with zero jargon and zero assumptions about what you already know. Whether you've never touched AI in your life, or you've tried it and didn't get on with it, you're exactly in the right place. Right then, let's get into today's video. Imagine you're staring at a spreadsheet, feeling frustrated with all those formulas and data messes, but what if your AI assistant could help you out? You know that tricky formula you've been trying to figure out? Well, I can tell you a secret. Just describe what you want it to do and the AI writes the formula for you. No more Googling. Let's give it a try. Just type in the sum of A1 and B2 and, voila, the formula is written for you. But how does it know what that formula does? Well, imagine you're explaining it to your friend. The AI breaks down the formula into smaller parts and explains each step. It's like having a personal math tutor right in front of you. Now, let's imagine you have a spreadsheet with messy data. The AI can help you clean it up quickly and easily. Just type in remove duplicates from columnar and the AI sorts out the rest. You know how sometimes you just want to see your data in a different light? The AI can suggest charts and visualizations that help you understand it better. Imagine a bar chart showing the average value of column B. Finally, let's imagine you want to create a new spreadsheet template. The AI can help you design it from scratch. Just type in a sales report template and the AI creates a beautiful template for you. Thanks for joining me on this episode. If you've got any questions or want to share your own spreadsheet tips, leave them in the comments below.